Hello friends, in this video we see how we can enable Wi-Fi signal in Ubuntu. There are some Wi-Fi drivers which are not pre-installed in Ubuntu, so we need to install it manually. Here you can see no Wi-Fi signal is appear. So first of all we need to connect with a wired network. I connect with my mobile network. Now open terminal and type command sudo apt get update. Press enter, enter password and press enter. We need to install some additional tool. So for clear terminal, I press Ctrl L and type command sudo apt get install git gcc make build essential Linux -headers $, open bracket uname space -r close bracket, press enter, press Y for continue and press enter. Clear terminal. For download Wi-Fi driver, type command git clone -b rtw 88 https://github.com /lwfinger /rtl Wi-Fi new _new.git. Press enter. Wi-Fi driver is downloaded successfully. For verify, type ls. You can see here RTL Wi-Fi _new folder is appear. To move into RTL Wi-Fi _new folder, type command cd RTL Wi-Fi _new, press enter. You can see I am in RTL Wi-Fi new folder. Now clear terminal and type command make, press enter. Clear terminal. For install Wi-Fi driver, type command sudo make install, press enter. You can see here Wi-Fi driver is installed successfully. For better performance, we need to reboot our system. So type command sudo reboot, press enter. After reboot my system, you can see Wi-Fi is enabled successfully. You can connect to a Wi-Fi network from here. I connect to my Wi-Fi network. Type password, connect. You can see here Wi-Fi is connected successfully. I hope you like this video. Thank you.